You can see this Alcoa had popped because people like to short it, but it's already been beaten down. I don't have a number. It's not like, we do like it's going to make you a lot of money or anything. It's more of a sentiment deal, but it's popping right up here. Now you get about 50 cents out of it, but nonetheless, you can see how that thing is working. That's a knee jerk to that close to the earnings, and I will update the earnings momentarily. At least we have the record here in after hours on that knee jerk reaction, which people are looking for a reason for things to grow around the world. So you know what? They've taken these estimates way down on it. And no one says that great short. Look at that 10,000 shares, big block selling short up there on that high. Alcoa, Alcoa preliminary number 10 cents versus losing 3 cents. Capital IQ consensus estimates. Revs at 5.96 billion versus 5.75 billion. So those markdowns on those revs are giving good old Alcoa to kick off that earnings season the right way in a bold fashion for the MMT. And here it is right now, and it's rolling big as we can see. And it's right up here at 75s. It's at 75s, 76s, 73s. And there is that topping pattern right now. So there's going to be a lot more to the number. Global aluminum demand to grow 7%, by the way. And that's what the bull is looking for. So Alcoa has been the one that always starts it out. It's not something that we invest and trade in, so let's just leave it that way. But we will use it as where growth is around the world because it plays a significant role on how things are being made with their aluminum and many other things that they have. Of course, there's a lot to it, but nonetheless, it's better. Look, they took those estimates down. They came in line with them as far as I'm concerned. Once you mark all those other quarters down, you got to find out where that lower end of that trough is. And basically, from our perspective and our training, is what's that going to do? What they're going to say is that Q1 adjustment of EPS of 10 cents versus negative 3 cents. Correction, there is a correction MMT. Revs of 6.01 billion versus 5.75 billion. So that number on the rev is even higher than initially reported. And we can clearly see that the stock has gotten a 40-cent move. We don't trade it for big gains because it doesn't give them, but we do look at it for sentiment. And once again, bull Alcoa news. I just posted the earnings, everyone. So that's pretty much how that's going to be. There's another one that we're going to look at. It's called SMSC. They beat their earnings. I don't know if the stock, Standard Microsystems, it's a NASDAQ listing, but we'll conclude the Alcoa and we'll come back and visit this one. They beat by 22 cents a share.